Hello, everyone. My name is Freddy Hernandez, and I am joined by my team, Ebony, Ishba, Jera, and Mariam. And today we're going to be discussing about CONT'D's Income Eligible Energy Saving Kits, also referred as IE kits. Our discussion points will consist of going over the purpose of energy efficiency, an introduction of CONT'D, what their IE kits consist of, the distributions of these kits, and the effects and results, and frequently asked questions. In the first place, why energy efficient programs? So there are three main reasons why we should really prioritize these types of programs. For starters, we have finance. They're the most cost-effective manners in which we can tackle climate change. And speaking on more consumer base, you get to save money on your bills. In the community sector, we can establish cleaner areas and mitigate economic burdens. And speaking of the environment and the earth that we all live in, we can minimize greenhouse gases emissions, mainly CO2.
So ComEd first started the energy efficiency program in 2008. It was created to support minorities and low-income customers who struggle with paying bills like gas, water, electric, and light. The program not only helps customers save money, but it also teaches them how to use less energy and spread energy wisely. ComEd also hosts food banks for LED distribution. um, ComEd provides energy certified light bulbs that help more than 600 local food pantries through Feeding America food banks and its community-based organization. For the school super savers, it helps teachers, students, and parents learn how to use energy wisely, and they also receive take-home kits with energy-saving products to install at their home with their families. For facility assessments, energy engineers visit the facility to assess whether there's opportunities for saving energy at like colleges, universities, libraries, streetlight schools, police departments, fire departments, etc., etc. So the energy efficient program, from 2008 to 2021, customers have saved over 3 billion on energy bills, 3.7 billion to be exact. There's 44,400 income eligible customers that participated in community projects hosted by ComEd, and over 40 billion of over 40 billion pounds of carbon emission were eliminated from the atmosphere, and 85,000 people in Illinois received jobs through the energy efficiency program. For the appliance recycling, the energy intensive or like old refrigerator units and freezer units, the local government can offer service on the consumer for free or to partner with them for the utility bill, um, to reduce the price of their next electric bill. For financial incentives, the local government can help promote utility incentives through events or press coverage or provide their own incentives to supplement those offered by utility. So, community solar programs, customers can buy solar panels or lease them to help with the electric bill. So, it's less money that they're paying for energy. And for home weatherization, ComEd also helps with windows, lighting, roofing issues, and installation upgrades.
The IE kits are free for program participants. Program is funded by ComEd ratepayers. These programs are a result of the Federal Clean Energy Job Act that was established in 2016. And through this act, it has helped fund programs that help consumers cut down their utility bills and help reduce electricity waste. They have partnered with over 90 community action agencies, and partners are reimbursed for each kit that is distributed. The kit includes 11 items, which are advanced power strips, faucet reader for bathrooms, faucet reader for kitchen, shower head, LED night lights, 9-watt LED lamps, 15-watt LED lamps, 5-watt LED, 60-watt candelabra, 5-watt LED, 60-watt globe, 3-way 15-watt LED lamp, and plumber's tape. These all come in the kit that is free.
So the distribution of the IE kits. So participants can receive their kits through a CAA or an event. And the IE kits program works with over 100 CAAs and CBOs. And participants tend to seek assistance through programs, the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program, the Illinois Home Weatherization Assistance Program, the Percentage of Income Payment Plan, and the CONT'D Rate Relief Programs. But due to COVID-19, the program switched to direct mail. Program information. So on the left is a map of how many kits have been distributed through Chicago. And since 2016, 176,000 kits were distributed to income eligible households. And the goal for 2021 is to distribute 60,000 kits. CONT'D, this is a CONT'D sponsored program, and it services about 70% of Illinois' population. And one IE kit per household saves up to $98 per year per household.
IE kits' impact on the community. This pie chart shows the collaboration of UIC, ERC, GHE, and CONT'D. New jobs were created in 2019 that were also employed in 2020. From all these collaborations, this program was able to help people with special needs like Matthew, who had a physical condition where he didn't think he would be able to find a job because of his physical limitations. And here is the list of questions that people often ask. How much will the IE kit cost me? Who's paying for this? Is this a scam? Why do you need my name and address? What is inside the IE kit? How do you use the advanced power strip? Can I get another IE kit for my family member or friend?
And to close off on our presentation here, no, this isn't a scam, and the IE kits are completely free. And as we mentioned before, this program is a CONT'D sponsored. We receive funds from the government, and your name and address are necessary in order to just keep data logged into our systems to witness the impact that these different kits are making. And we did mention what the contents of the IE kits are. Main ones are light bulbs and the different kind of faucets that can save you money annually. And you can get another IE kit for your family member only if they come and join you in order to include their own personal information. And that pretty much is what we have here to discuss about CONT'D's IE Kits program. And I hope everyone else have a wonderful day.